Hey, just was wondering, is this an out-of-season April Fool's joke?
Is there any plans to make this playable on PC, or is this just strictly mobile forever?
We don't have any plans at the moment to do PC. Do you guys not have phones?
Yeah, you guys all have
Everyone's got a
phones,
phone.
right?
Now, I know what you're thinking. What happened to Diablo?
This is the worst game ever made by Blizzard Entertainment after Warcraft 3 Reforged. Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge is not even compatible, even though I use a custom ROM which is faster than the original Android. Debloating your smartphone is a good idea by removing unnecessary apps. But still, this game is in alpha and only rich people can play it. From 2018 to 2021 and they did nothing for us. It's so sad that Blizzard became a greedy company nowadays, and that's for sure. It's funny that they said, you guys don't have phones? We all have, but not the latest ones. Just optimize your game, you lazy bastards. Hopefully they will still do something good with Diablo Immortal, where even those with bad phones can play it. It's not cool to be greedy. Okay, so it's been Face Daddy, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you guys, you are the best. Without you, this channel will be nothing. So I truly love it when you guys watch my videos. Peace!